Hey, what's up fam? It's your homeboy the African Kid. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell to get notified each and every single time I get to upload a brand new video. But ladies and gentlemen, before any further ado, as the title suggests, today I'm actually gonna show you on this tutorial on how to create a YouTube channel. So let's go about it. On the first video, which I have attached the link below, I showed you how to create a Gmail account, which is so necessary when it comes to creating a YouTube channel. So we are using the Gmail account we created on the first video. The description is on the link on the first video, which the link is down below. So as you can see, the Gmail account you created was called African Kid. So remember, it doesn't have a YouTube channel yet. So for the purposes of this video, let us just create a YouTube channel, which was not my intention for that Gmail account. But let me just show you how you go about creating a YouTube channel. So we are set with our Gmail account. Now, when you log in to your Gmail Google account, so make sure you come on YouTube, and it will automatically reflect on YouTube. So you come to the top right here and click where you have the Google account icon. Then it will bring you this box. Then you come here to create channel. Okay, then you click to create channel. This is what you see when you click to create channel. This is how it will appear. So you can do yourself a favor. You can actually upload a picture of your liking and of your wanting. So let us see which picture we can actually upload. Let us just select a random picture. Let us just select a random picture right here, right now, very quickly. Where are my pictures? Where are my pictures? Where are my pictures? All right. So yeah, there goes the pictures. So let us just select, just a random picture. Okay, we can use that. Make sure you do crop it in the nicest way possible to your liking, that is. And when you're done, you come here and say done. So basically, this is the picture that will appear on your YouTube channel. So after you've uploaded your picture and the name of the channel, let us just let it be the African let it be African Kid. Then you also put a name to your liking, and when you're done with that, you come here and click on this create channel. Boom. And ladies and gentlemen, the process and the marinating of the information has been done. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. You have your YouTube channel. Like, it is that simple and that easy. And once you have your YouTube channel, you can come here to upload a video and upload your first YouTube video. You can come to customize your channel and customize the banners in your channel, the profile pictures in your channel. Like, yeah, this is how you get to like go about creating a YouTube channel. This is how you go about creating a YouTube channel. It is that simple and that effective. So ladies and gentlemen, if you like this video, kindly do me a special favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bar. You can also like, comment, and share. And please, each and every single time I get to upload a brand new video, make sure you tell your friends this is the place to be. I'm the African Kid. Until the next video, adios.